Hello, good afternoon everybody. Today I am going to solve a number series completion test. Just concentrate over the board here. Here some numbers are given and we have to find a typical number. Okay, so I am showing you the way this particular number series will be solved. Let's concentrate over the board here. Okay. So consider the first number 5 and second number 10. What is the relation between these two? 5 into 2 equal to 10. And again, if we concentrate over these two consecutive numbers, that is 10 and 5, what is the relation? It's 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So actually what we get, if we multiply the top left number by 2, we get the next number, and if we subtract just the preceding number of the second number, that is here 10, we get the next number. So that's the logic. Similarly, if we implement this logic over the rest of in the series, we get 5 into that is 10 into 2, 20, and if we subtract 5 from 20, then we get 20 minus 5 equal to 15. Similarly, 20 into 2 equal to 14, and then 14 minus 15 equal to 25, the next number. And now 40 into 2 equal to 80, and similarly if we subtract 25 from 80, because once we double this number, we have to concentrate over the next two numbers. So 80 minus 25 equal to 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 5, 55. So 55 will be replaced by the question mark. Now I am going to show you another one. Just stay tuned. Also, in the meanwhile, I want to say that the number series completion test is a very important part of your common aptitude test, which you have to practice hard for your upcoming job examinations if you want to get a real taste of success. Okay, so practice and always practice for your upcoming success. I just tell these simple things. Okay, let's concentrate over the next one. 25, 10, 25, 15. That is very easy. You can easily say 25, 22, 25, 31, 25, next. So we have to find the last number which will be replaced by question mark. So let's focus over the logic here. We can see if we move from top left hand side to top right hand side, we can see, and if we denote each position as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, what we get? We get every odd position is the same number. Okay, so 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 is marked with the number 25, or 25 number is placed in the odd positions. Now our calculation calculation and our thought process begins with the numbers put in or even positions, that is 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th and 10th. The 10th one I have to, or sorry, the 10th one we have to derive. So how could we derive? Just 10 plus 5 equal to 15, then 15 plus 7 equal to 22, then 22 plus 9 is equal to 31. So we can see that the numbers placed in the odd even positions are just incremented by 5, 7, 9, etc. So what will be the next number? The next number will be 31 plus 11 equal to 42. So question mark will be replaced by the number 42. That's it. Now stay tuned with the next one. Just concentrate over here. Don't lose your concentration, because I am going to focus over total 5 number series completions. Okay, so this video will consist total 5 number series completion questions with their logical implementations. Now we have to find this 9, 11, 16, 18, 23, 25, 30, 32 and 37. This is actually not the number series completion. This is about finding the odd one out. That is, in this number series one particular number is wrong. We have to find that particular wrong one. So how could we derive? Now similarly, if we mark the numbers with position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, we can see that between and from top left, if we move from top left handed side to top right handed side, we can see that position 1, 2, the number in position 2 is incremented by 2. So 9 plus 2 equal to 11. Similarly, the number in position 4 is incremented by 2 from number in position 3. So 16 plus 2 equal to 18, and then from 5th and 6th position it is also incremented by 2. 7th and 8th, the same logic will be implemented between the numbers in position 7 and 8. Now we have to think about the numbers in position 2 and 3. So 11 plus 5 equal to 16. Then position 4 and 5, what is 18 plus 5 equal to 23. Now it's between position 6th and 7th. So what we get? 25 plus 5 equal to 30, and in between 8th and 9th, what will be the logic? 32 plus 5. So 32 plus 5 equal to 37. Okay, sorry, this is the logic, but this is I have just made a little mistake, and I beg your pardon for this. This is not an odd one out series. This is a number series completion test. We have to find the next one. So what number will come after 37? That is, and it is, if we denote question mark position with 10th position. So now so 9th and 10th position, how could we achieve? As 1 and 2 position, 3 and 3rd and 4th position, 5th and 6th position, 7th and 8th position, 9th and 10th position. So if we add 2 with the number put in position 9, that is 37 plus 2, so we get it is 39. So question mark will be replaced by 39. That is the logic. Hope you have understood the logic. As I have already told you, stay tuned for the next series. Okay, just let me erase the board because the space is very short, as I always say here. Now the next one, 13, 26, 20, 40, 34, 40, 34, 68, 62, then question mark. We have to find the number replaced with question mark. So similarly, if we move from LHS to RHS and denote each number with a particular position, that is first position, it is second position, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and now this is 8th position. What we get? Just focus over the numbers in position 1 and 2. So what we get? 13 into 2 equal to 26. Now 3rd and 4th position, what is the relation between 3rd and 4th position? The numbers in 3rd and 4th position, that is 20 into 2 equal to 40. Similarly, in case of 5th and 6th position, 34 into 2 equal to 68. And 3rd and 4th, 5th and 6th, 7th and 8th. So what should be the relation between the numbers in position 7 and number in position 8? That is 62 into 2 equal to 4, 6 into 2, 12, 124. Okay. Now how could we, what is the relation between the numbers in position 2 and 3? So 26 minus 6 is equal to 20. Now similarly, in case of the numbers in 4th and 5th position, it is 40 minus 6 equal to 34. And now in case of 6th and 7th, it is 68 minus 6 equal to 62. So if we subtract 6 from each number in even positions, that is 2nd, 4th and 6th, we get the next odd next number put in odd position. That is, in case of position 2nd, if we subtract 6 from the number, we get the number put in position 3. Similarly, in case of position 4, if we subtract 6, we get the number put in position 5th, and this logic will be implemented over here. Okay, hope you have got this one. Now another one is coming for you. Just stay focused, don't lose your patience. That is the ultimate motto. Patience is everything when you are going to appear for a competitive exam to secure your dream future. Now this one, 4, 6, 12, 30, 75, 30, 75, 315, 315, 1260. Now, just few minutes ago, I told about a odd one out. This one is the odd one out number series. That means a particular number in this series is wrong according to the logic put behind the whole series. You have to calculate which number is wrong. Now I am going to solve it for you. Similarly, as I have told in case of previous 4 number series, we need to move from left hand side to right hand side, and that is the way maximum number series calculation is done. Okay, so let's denote them as first position, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh position. Okay, so what is the relation between the numbers put in position 1 and position 2? So if we multiply 4 by 3 by 2, so what we get? 4 into 3 by 2 equal to 6. Now okay, that is 6, and if we multiply 6 by 2, then we get the number in the next number, that is 12. Now in case of numbers in position 3rd and 4th, what will be the logic? How we can get 30 by taking the number 12. So let's multiply 12 by 5. What we get? 60, and then divide by 2 equal to 30. Okay, so what we get? 12 into 5 by 2 equal to 30. Now 30 and 75, what should be there? According to the previous logic, in case of position 1, 2, 3, as I have already told, the first number into 3 by 2 equal to next number, and then next number into 2 equal to 12. So in case of the numbers in position 3, 4, 5, it should be 12 into 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, 11 by 2. That is that is another rule. Okay, so 12 into 5 by 2 equal to 30, and it should be 30 into 2 equal to 60. So if we replace this number with 60, then the whole series will be completed. Okay, so the wrong number here is just 75, and 60 is the correct answer. Now 60 . just we can say if it is 30 into 3, then it is 90. 90 into 7 by 5, 7 by 60 into 7 by 2. Okay. So 90 into 7 by 2 equal to 45 into 7 equal to, okay, just a minute, I have just done a simple mistake. Okay, so it's not about just multiplying by 2 in every case, in always. Okay, so between 1, 2 and 3, the first number into 3 by 2 equal to the next number, and the next number into 2 equal to 12. Similarly, in case of 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, sorry. Similarly, in case of the number put in position 3, 4, 5, it is 12 into, as I have said, 12 into 5 by 2 equal to 30, and then it should be 30 into 3 equal to 90. Now, in case of the numbers in so 75 will be replaced by the 90, which is correct answer. Now, in case of 90 into now it is 3 by 2, 5 by 2 and 7 by 2. If we multiply 90 into 7 by 2, what we get? 45 into 7 equal to 315. And if we multiply it by 4, what we get? 1260. So what we actually derive, it is the first number into 3 by 2 equal to second into 2 equal to third. Now, third into 5 by 2 equal to fourth into 3 equal to fifth. Okay. Fifth. And then we get fifth into 7 by 2 equal to sixth into 4 equal to 7th. That is the logic. I have taken a bit long session for you, but I have nothing to do except this, because there is no way of wasting a time by simply showing you one number series completion solving. Okay, so thanks for this session and stay tuned.